So guys, welcome back to a new video. I also have new microphones today, and I also using my iPhone camera, and hopefully the light and the quality of the sound are actually better now. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna change the window wipers on my E36 because they're broken. And the video probably doesn't gonna be that long, and the reason why we is doing a very easy one today is because this week we had like 2 snowstorms and it's extremely cold, and it doesn't matter even if I heat up the garage with my diesel heater, it's still too cold to finish my other project I had. That includes spray painting. It takes ages for the spray painting to dry. So that's why. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. We also have a giveaway at 500 and 1000 subscribers. We're very close to 500, so don't miss that, and don't forget to like the video. And let's go into the video now. So here we have the new windows wipers. I have bought them from Biltema. It's like a Swedish it's like a maybe best buyer in USA. I don't know. This sells like most car parts, but like everything nowadays. Anyway, very cheap, and you have 20 for, I think that is the passenger side, and the bigger one is for the driver side. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I remembered. So that's what we're gonna swap out today, and as you can see on my window wipers here, they're pretty bad, pretty terrible. So let's remove the old ones. So let's see if I can remove the old one. So what you do is just to press it down, and then bend this up and drag it out. And don't lose this, because if you snap this back on your window, you're gonna break your windshield. So those are not OEM one, but I think all the one looks the same, and you're supposed to do like this, and it's gonna say like click. Oh, there's the click. Nice. And now to another one, other one. So do the same here. We just press it down. And take it out. This one doesn't look that bad, but I wanna match both, so we're gonna change this too. And there was 100 of plastic pieces. And let's do the same here. And it's gonna say like click again. Click. And there we have it. 2 new windows wiper, and it took like 2 minutes to do. Very easy job. Everyone can do it, of course. I know, pretty boring modification. It's not even a modification. A pretty boring video, I know. But like I said, it has been a snowstorm. I also waiting for parts. So yeah, it's a little bit messy. Waiting for parts. Can't do my spray painting in here because it's too cold. Kinda sucks, but what can you do when you live in a cold country? It is what it is. But anyway, thank you for sticking here, and thank you for watching, and don't forget the giveaway, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you the next week again.